Hi, this is Rob from ILC Tech Support with another tech video for EVO Lite today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your switch and sensor parameters on your EVO Lite wall sensor, ELWS. There's a couple things to note. Our switch is plugged into our power pack here. That's why it's blinking. How the switch controls zones and how it dims is all controlled in these power packs here. And if you need help configuring your power pack with your power pack button right here, you can use our QR code to take you to our design guide, or I will link the video for our EVO Lite Power Pack configuration right here and down below. So let's take a look at our switch. We're gonna do everything from our on button on the top here, so it's really simple. And all we're gonna do to start is we're gonna press and hold this button for about 20 seconds. Halfway through, you're gonna see this LED light turn on right here, and that tells us that we're about at the 10-second mark. So as you're holding, it's gonna be blinking quite a bit. What we're looking for is for this red and blue light to start oscillating back and forth, which it will do in a few seconds. There we go, red, blue, red, blue. So right now it's waiting for me to tell it what to do. So just for the sake of our example here, we're going to be using this chart. We'll take a look at our chart that I have up on the screen. This will show you all the blink parameters and we'll show you all the blink values. So the way that this kind of works is the red is our left column, blue is our right column. So our red column tells us what the parameter is, the blue column tells us what the value is. And this is the same on our ceiling sensors as well. Just for sake of demonstration, let's change the acoustic sensitivity. As you saw on the chart, maybe you noticed quick, it is default to blink 2 or value 2, which is a medium sensitivity. So we're gonna put it on high. So the first thing I wanna do is make sure that I'm in parameter 3. So let's let go and see what it's in right now. It's in 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So now we're in parameter 3, which is acoustic sensitivity. Let's press and hold till it turns blue. Now we're in the value. So if we start here, it's gonna say 1, 2, 3. That's exactly the one we need. So let's go ahead and punch that in. So now we're back to red. So now we jumped back out of the value menu into the parameter menu. So now we need to save. So on the chart, as you saw, and we can put it back up one more time right here. Blink number 6 for parameter is to exit settings. So let's do that really quick. So let's see where we're at. Looking for 6 blinks, which will be this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's lock that in. And now we're looking for value number 2 to save. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Let's lock that in. So now you notice both LEDs are on, so it gives it kind of this purple color. Right now, we have saved that value and we have changed the acoustic sensitivity from mid to high on this switch. The process is exactly the same for any other configuration or parameter, value, so on and so forth. Just a matter of using our chart, which again, you can find from our QR code here and on the back. We'll pull up the design guide and we'll give you all your parameters right there. Thank you so much for watching our video today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have additional questions, feel free to email us at ilc.techsupport@ilc-usa.com or call us from 7 to 5 Central at 952-842-2588.